In Module 11, we talk about the role of the leader within the firm, or leadership of the firm. And in Section 1, we talk about the top management team, or the TMT. We define it and establish the roles of the firm's TMT. So what constitutes the TMT, the top management team? Well, it can be defined in a number of different ways. Probably the most popular way of defining the top management team is the CEO and all of his or her direct reports. But you can also define the TMT as all C-level employees. So this would be like the CEO, the CFO, the COO, Chief Information Officer. So that's another way of defining the top management team. And yet another way of defining the top management team is to simply look at all the employees that are at the level of vice president or above and say, that's the leadership of the firm. That's the top management team. So that's how you would define the top management team. So what are some of the roles of the top managers? So there's a few, right? So one is to set direction for the firm, to formulate strategy, right? That's we talked about direction setting in Module 10. Top managers are also responsible for organizational design. So designing the organizational structure of the firm, the systems, the processes, all the components that go into the firm that help it achieve its goals, right? Develop its capabilities and competencies and leverage those to accomplish its goals. So essentially implement its strategy. And then finally, the top managers are responsible for nurturing the culture. And so how does this happen? How do they go about doing this? Well, they go about creating and developing the culture of the firm and then leveraging that culture so it can gain a competitive advantage.